Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Narthangai Rasam. Narthangai is called a citron fruit. This citron fruit has a high amount of vitamin C. So now first to make rasam, let us pressure cook tuvar dal. I have taken 2 spoons in this. 1 slitted tomato. Add turmeric powder and pour 400 ml of water and pressure cook this for 1 whistle and 10 minutes in sim. So now tuvar dal is pressure cooked. Just give a mash so that tomato gets squeezed. So in a mixer jar, I am adding few garlic, 3 red chilies, peppercorns, and jeera. So now dry powder this for rasam. Don't add water, just dry powder it. This is Narthangai citron fruit. Just press it and cut it into 2 halves. Either use your hand and bring out the juice, or use this, squeeze it and take out juice as shown in the video. You have to add this citron juice after offing the stove only. This rasam is a very healthy rasam. Use unripened citron Narthangai fruit. It tastes very good with rice and sabji. See, citron Narthangai juice is ready. Now on the stove, heat the kadai. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is ready, season it with mustard seeds, peppercorns, jeera, asafoetida, add 1 red chilli, allow it to splutter. Add pounded garlic, few pieces, curry leaves. Give a good mix. Add the rasam powder which we grounded at home. Mix it. Now add dal and dal water. Rasam should be watery, so pour half a liter of water. Allow it to get boiled. For this rasam, 1 Narthangai citron fruit is enough. If it is very small like lemon, you can add 2. If you don't have citron fruit, Narthangai, you can add instead of lemon extract. So slowly it will start boiling and rasam starts raising and come up. At the stage, turn the flame to sim, keep it for 2 minutes and then you can turn off the flame. After turning off the flame only, you have to add salt and garnish with coriander leaves. Without rasam, there is no function. From small function to big function, they keep rasam, and during monsoon time rasam soothes our throat. As everybody knows, citron fruit has great vitamin C and it helps to improve our immunity. Hope you all enjoyed the video, I think. Please try the citron rasam in same method.